Hey, so if you're working with a lot of files in 2026, knowing how to use search in SharePoint can save you a ton of time. I'll show you how to find anything fast step by step. All right, first, open SharePoint in your browser and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're inside, look at the top of the page where you'll see the search bar. This is the main tool for finding everything. Now, type the name of the file, folder, person, or keyword you're trying to find. Even a partial name can help bring results. After that, use filters like files, sites, or people to narrow down your search results so you don't get overwhelmed. You can also search within a specific site if you only want results from one project or team workspace. Yeah, once results appear, just click on any file or document to open it instantly. For better accuracy, try using exact keywords or putting phrases in quotes. This helps you find specific content faster. SharePoint also shows recent and suggested files based on what you've been working on, which is really helpful. So, yeah, that's how you can use SharePoint Search in 2026. It makes finding files super quick and efficient. And hey, if this helped, do like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Thanks for watching.